Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can join Survive the Apocalypse Discord server. For that, head over to your browser and simply type in this exact thing. Once done, you will see discord.com that says Survive the Apocalypse. So if you tap onto it, you will see the Discord server of that exact name. Tap on Join Server from here. And likewise, you're going to have to tap on Accept Invite. Now make sure that you already have application of Discord and you are logged into your account. Then after a couple of seconds, you will see a page like this where you're going to have to, accept the invite again. So let's go ahead and try again. Tap on accept invite. Tap on accept invite again. Likewise, you can see that I am a member of this server right here. So guys, thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch up in our next upload.